An insurance payment is made in a similar manner as a patient payment. However, insurance payments typically have more information to record besides the basic paid amount. Along with the paid amount, you can configure deductions, write-offs, risk withheld write-offs, and claim adjustment codes, as well as selecting an action or billing statement message. To enter an insurance payment for a patient, you can access the patient you want to enter a payment for, click the Make a Payment tab if needed, click the Insurance Filter option if desired, and then select the charges you want to enter a payment for. Once the applicable charge or charges have been selected, you can click into the Allowed field and enter the allowed amount for the payment. When an allowed amount is entered, the system will automatically calculate the write-off amount, which is the charge amount minus the allowed amount. Next, in the deductible field, you can enter any deductible amount if applicable. Then you can click into the paid field and enter the amount of the payment. Once the amount paid has been entered, you can enter or search for the applicable payment type in the type field. Do note that the payment and write-off types will pre-fill if you have set the payment defaults for this insurance. Typically, when entering payment types, you want to have a separate payment type for each of the major types of insurance carriers that your office accepts and bills for. For example, a separate type for Medicare, Medicaid, Blue Cross Blue Shield, etc. And you can get as detailed with the payment types as your office sees fit. This allows you to easily track payments in the system and allows you to easily see the payment information in reports. After the paid and payment types have been entered, you can enter or modify the write-off amount, and then enter or search for the applicable write-off code in the code field. In a similar manner as payment types, it is recommended that a separate write-off code be used for the major insurance carriers, and can be specific for individual insurance companies as your office sees fit. When entering payments, you can also click the Enable button at the bottom of the screen to enable 2 lines of payments to be entered for a single entry. This is convenient for entering insurance payments where the insurance company also has a withheld risk amount to write off, in addition to the standard write-off. This allows you to configure both items for the same entry. After the payment and write-off information has been entered, you can enter the claim adjustment information if needed.